How to tell if a remote job is a scam. My name is Labria Jones. I'm the founder of Quick Commuting, and this is your 5 minute tip where we try to give you a tip that can help you land a remote job in less than 5 minutes. Today, we're going to talk about how to identify remote job scams because there are plenty out there, and it is so frustrating, especially when you are already going through the very frustrating process of looking for a job. We have always said at Quick Commuting that job searching is not fun. It's actually really, really frustrating and can be very demoralizing. And it can only add to those frustrations when you are constantly running across remote job scams and not sure how to identify them. So, we're going to walk through a few steps on how to do that. The first is Glassdoor. Glassdoor is a tried and true website that provides reviews about different companies. The good thing about Glassdoor is people who have worked there provide reviews on the company, and also people who have interviewed there provide reviews on the company and the interview process. It's also the Blind app where people talk about companies and corporations anonymously as well. So Glassdoor and Blind are two tools that you can use to get reviews on the company as an employer. Another place you can go is LinkedIn. Many companies will have a LinkedIn page. You can go to that LinkedIn page and start connecting with other people that work there. I suggest reaching out to people that work there. This is a tip that you can use when you are trying to confirm the job is real. Reach out to some of the people that work there. You don't need to ask them, is it a scam? But ask them, hi, I'm interested in a role at your company. I'm wondering how you like working there. Another thing that you can do is actually check out the Better Business Bureau and find out if people are filing claims of this against this company. If the company's customers are so angry with this company and feel like it's such a scam that they are filing complaints with the Better Business Bureau, then it's probably a scammy company or probably a company that you just don't want to work for. And along that same vein, you can go ahead and check their Google reviews as well. So Google the company and see what kind of reviews they're actually getting. You can use Google or Trustpilot to get reviews on the company from customers. If customers hate it, you might hate it too. Just throwing that out there. If the company is trying to sell you something or get you to sign up for something as part of your application process, it's giving scam. I've actually seen this. A recruiter reached out to me to ask for my resume. She told me she saw my profile on LinkedIn and thought I would be a great fit for the role and asked me to send my resume. I sent her my resume and she then said, your resume needs to be ATS friendly. So can you go to this link and make it ATS friendly? The point of an ATS friendly resume is to get through the applicant tracking systems to a recruiter. I'm already talking to a recruiter, so that threw a red flag for me. But I clicked on the link anyway, just so I could do research for purposes of sharing this information with the community of job seekers that I serve. And which is also risky, right? Clicking on links is a little bit risky, but I clicked the link and it took me to a website that offers ATS friendly resume templates for the low price of $29.99. So this was not a job posting. This was a marketing tactic to sell an ATS friendly template. So just be very careful if people are trying to get you to sign up for something or trying to sell you something. It's probably not a real job posting. The last tip I give you is to use your intuition. None of us has ever regretted listening to our actual intuition. Intuition is so powerful. It's such a powerful tool that is underutilized. If something feels off and seems off, it's likely that it is. Things like the recruiter is emailing you from a Gmail or Yahoo email account. If it's a Hotmail account, it's definitely a scam. If they are asking for your social security number and you have not even been hired yet, a lot of times companies will need your social security number once you are hired so that they can pay you and report your taxes and things like that. But if you're asking for a social security number before I've even been hired, then that is sketchy. Things like companies saying they're going to send you a check to purchase your computer. Nobody's sending checks. No one's doing that. That is giving scam. And something I've seen lately is text messages. So recruiters reaching out via text message and it's very vague. That seems scammy as well. I haven't looked into it, but I haven't looked into it because it feels like a scam. Those are just some of the ways that you can identify remote job scams. I'll also call out that a lot of roles that are very susceptible to scams are customer service and entry level roles. So I want you to be very, very careful as you're looking at those types of roles. Another thing you can do is make sure you're utilizing reputable job boards, okay? LinkedIn is a great job board. Indeed is a great job board. But for decades, there have been job boards that are specific to remote jobs. And there are job boards that actually vet job postings before they post them. You can check out our video on our favorite remote job boards. Okay? I wish you luck.